5 lazy morning exercises that work better than the gym. Hey there, fitness friends. We've all been there, struggling to find motivation in the morning. But what if I told you that you could get a great workout without leaving your bed? Today, we're exploring 5 lazy morning exercises that work better than the gym. These simple moves can jumpstart your day and boost your fitness. Let's start with our first lazy morning exercise. Moving on to our second exercise, place your forearms and extend your legs off the side. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. If it's too challenging, lie on your back with your arms and legs spread wide. This gentle stretch helps improve flexibility and blood flow. It's perfect for waking up your muscles after a long night's sleep. Sit up in bed with your feet together and knees bent outward. Hold your feet with your hands and gently press your knees down. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head. Extend your left leg at the same time. Switch sides, bringing your left elbow to your right knee and right elbow to your left knee. Continue alternating for 1 minute. This exercise targets your abs and obliques, giving you a great core workout. To make the most of these exercises, try to do them every morning. Consistency is key when it comes to fitness. Start with just 5-10 minutes and gradually increase the time as you get stronger. By starting your day with these simple moves, you're setting yourself up for success.